Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to install the 6MOG bandolier pouch in an assault pack. This is the 6MOG bandolier pouch. Now, I'll show you how to attach it to the assault pack. First, unzip the front pocket of the assault pack. Inside, you'll find two snap buttons, one on each side. These snaps are used to secure the 6MOG bandolier pouch. Before we install it, there's one thing we need to do. Extend the strap to its full length. Next, open the pouch flap. Spread the strap out to both sides, fold each end over, and secure them with the side flaps. Do the same on the other side. Then, secure both folded ends under the center flap. And that's it. Folding the strap this way makes it much easier to grab the pouch when pulling it out of the assault pack. Now let's install it in the front pocket. Place the 6MOG bandolier pouch into the pocket and fasten one side with the snap button. Then secure the other side the same way. That's all there is to it. When you need to remove the pouch, simply grab the folded strap and pull. It slides out easily, and as you pull it free, the strap automatically unfolds, allowing you to sling it over your neck or shoulder in one smooth motion. That's how you install the 6MOG bandolier pouch in an assault pack. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.